Congratulations for a job well done, Colonel.
Thank you, sir. And may I respectfully present to you the leader of the team who apprehended the plotters, Captain Daniel Guevara.
Sir!
Well done, Captain. I will personally commend you and your men for this meritorious service to the nation. Your loyalty to the ideals of the service and to the duly constituted authorities. Your exemplary behavior as an officer is worth emulating by your peers.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Mr. President, they are the suspected plotters against your life and to overthrow the present government.
I believe that some of you are members of the Special Forces team in the other services of the armed forces. Nakakalungkot isipin na ang mga sundalong katulad niyo pa na sumumpang ipagtatanggol ang kapakanan at seguridad ng bansa ang siyang nakipagsabuatan para sirain ang kapakanan, ang kapayapaan at demokrasyang pinaghirapan natin makamit. You have no place in this democratic society, gentlemen. Dalhin sila sa detention cell.
Oh, sandali lang. Tabi na muna kayo. Sige na. Padalin nyo, padalin nyo.
That's all for now, Colonel Herrera and Captain Guevara. In behalf of the entire nation, nagpapasalamat ako sa mga ginawa niyong ito. At umaasa ako na ipagpapatuloy niyong inyong magandang nasimulan. At para patunayan sa lahat na nagtatangkang ibagsak ang ating demokrasya, na handa tayong lumaban at magbuwis ng buhay para sa kalayaan, katarungan at kapayapaan.
Mr. President, gusto ko rin sana ipakilala sa inyo ang isang taong malaki ang naitulong upang maging matagumpay ang operasyon na ito. Si Shirley Tolentino, our deep penetration agent who supplied us with all necessary information.
Congratulations. Captain?
Condition red, condition red. President's office, we need backup.
Hindi mo ito mahayos!
Ano nangyari, sir?
Nakanya ko tayo ng presidente!
Bakit ito natago mo, sir?